In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect FTMO to cTrader. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to ftmo.com, which is their official website, and then here you want to hover over trading up top, this button, and then you want to click on here where it says trading platforms. So click on this, and then a few of them will pop up over here. Simply click on cTrader, and then it will scroll down until you see FTMO cTrader. Now, of course, you can download it for Windows, for Mac, for Android or iOS, but the easiest and the quickest way is to just connect via the browser. So I'm going to do this right now. I'm going to click on web browser over here, and it's going to direct me to ct.ftmo.com. And as you can see, the first thing you'll see on your screen is going to be please sign in to cTrader. So click on login up top. And here you can sign in if you don't have an account yet, but if you do, you can log in with your email and password, or you can use Google, which I'm going to do right now. So let me just use Google really quickly over here, because it's, I think, the fastest and the easiest way, but of course it's up to you if you want to use it or not. You can select it over here, so we can select an account. And once that's done, press continue. There we go. And you're then going to be signed in. And then the next question will be if you want to open up a demo, a live account, or if you want to change your cTrader ID account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just open a demo account right now. And then once you do this, it's going to take you to this site over here where you'll then be basically able to create a demo account. And you can do this inside here. So you can just basically create your account and then things will work as they should. Okay, so you'll first have to basically open it and then you'll have to connect it. And then once you do that, you've successfully connected yourself to cTrader. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.